Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
Step into a world where rustic charm meets contemporary elegance, where the simplicity of barn architecture is enhanced with modern comforts and aesthetics. The modern barn-style house captures the best of both worlds, blending traditional, rugged materials with sleek, minimalist design. Here's an in-depth guide on how you can achieve this stunning blend of old and new in your home, creating a space that is both inviting and sophisticated. Architectural aesthetics and structure. A modern barn-style house marries the nostalgic charm of traditional barns with contemporary design principles, resulting in a striking architectural statement. The hallmark of this style is its distinctive gabled roof, often with steep pitches that not only pay homage to historic barns but also provide practical benefits. This roof design creates spacious interiors with soaring ceilings, allowing for expansive living areas and abundant natural light. Exterior materials play a pivotal role in defining the modern barn aesthetic. While traditional barns were typically clad in wood siding, modern interpretations often blend natural materials like wood, stone, and metal. Wood siding may be used for its warmth and texture, complemented by stone accents or metal roofing that add a touch of industrial flair. These materials not only enhance the visual appeal but also contribute to the durability and sustainability of the structure. Large windows are another key feature of modern barn-style houses, strategically placed to maximize views of the surrounding landscape and flood interiors with daylight. This seamless integration of indoor and outdoor spaces is fundamental to the style, promoting a sense of openness and connection to nature. The interiors typically feature an open floor plan that emphasizes flow and versatility, accommodating both everyday living and entertaining. Inside, exposed wooden beams are a defining characteristic that adds rustic charm and architectural interest. These beams often traverse vaulted ceilings, creating a sense of grandeur and openness. The use of reclaimed wood for flooring or accent walls further enhances the rustic ambience, juxtaposed with sleek, modern finishes in areas like the kitchen and bathrooms. This blend of old and new creates a dynamic contrast that is both visually appealing and functional. Overall, the architectural aesthetics of a modern barn-style house are rooted in simplicity, functionality, and a deep appreciation for natural materials. The combination of a distinctive gabled roof, durable exterior materials, expansive windows, and open interior spaces defines this timeless style, making it a popular choice for those seeking a blend of rustic charm and contemporary living. Interior design and layout. The interior design of a modern barn-style house reflects a harmonious balance between rustic charm and contemporary sophistication. Open, airy spaces characterize the layout, with an emphasis on functionality, comfort, and aesthetic appeal. Key features of the interior include vaulted ceilings with exposed wooden beams, which not only add architectural interest but also create a sense of spaciousness and warmth. These ceilings often extend over expansive living areas, including the kitchen, dining room, and living room, fostering an open concept layout that promotes natural light and seamless flow between spaces. Natural light plays a crucial role in the interior design, facilitated by large windows that frame picturesque views of the surrounding landscape. These windows are strategically placed to maximize daylight and enhance the connection between indoor and outdoor living areas. The use of neutral color palettes, such as shades of white, beige, gray, and earth tones, further enhances the sense of openness while allowing natural materials like wood and stone to shine. The kitchen serves as a focal point in many modern barn-style houses, featuring a blend of rustic elements and modern conveniences. Reclaimed wood or stone countertops, alongside sleek cabinetry and stainless steel appliances, create a functional yet stylish culinary space. A large island with seating provides additional workspace and doubles as a casual dining area, perfect for gatherings with family and friends. Bedrooms in a modern barn-style house are designed with comfort and relaxation in mind. They often feature vaulted ceilings, plush carpeting, or hardwood floors, and expansive windows that offer views of the natural surroundings. Walk-in closets and ensuite bathrooms with spa-like amenities enhance the sense of luxury and convenience. Overall, the interior design of a modern barn-style house is characterized by its blend of rustic elements, contemporary finishes, and open living spaces that prioritize comfort, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. This design approach creates a welcoming and versatile environment that is both timeless and modern. Functional spaces and efficiency. Efficiency and versatility are key considerations in the layout and design of a modern barn-style house. These homes are designed to accommodate modern living needs while maintaining a sense of spaciousness and organization. The open-concept floor plan is central to the functional layout of a modern barn-style house, creating fluidity between living spaces and promoting natural light throughout. This layout typically includes a central living area that combines the kitchen, dining room, and living room, facilitating ease of movement and interaction. High ceilings with exposed beams add to the sense of openness, while large windows frame views of the surrounding landscape. Multifunctional spaces are a hallmark of modern barn-style houses, designed to adapt to various uses and activities. Home offices, media rooms, or flexible living areas can be integrated into the floor plan, providing versatility for homeowners. Built-in storage solutions, such as shelving units or cabinets, maximize space efficiency and help maintain a clutter-free environment. Efficient use of materials and resources is another consideration in the design of modern barn-style houses. Sustainable building materials, energy-efficient appliances, and passive design principles contribute to reducing environmental impact and lowering energy costs. Well-insulated walls and windows, coupled with natural ventilation strategies, help regulate indoor temperatures and improve overall comfort. Overall, the functional layout and efficiency of a modern barn-style house prioritize adaptability, organization, and sustainable living practices. By combining open-concept spaces, multifunctional rooms, and energy-efficient technologies, these homes offer a modern lifestyle that is both comfortable and environmentally responsible. Outdoor living and landscape integration. Outdoor living and landscape integration are integral aspects of modern barn-style house design, creating a seamless connection between indoor comfort and outdoor natural beauty. The exterior of a modern barn-style house often features expansive porches, patios, or verandas that extend the living space into the surrounding landscape. These outdoor areas are designed for relaxation, entertainment, and appreciation of nature, with options for outdoor dining, lounging, and gathering with family and friends. Landscaping around the house is carefully curated to complement its architectural style and natural surroundings. Native plants, perennial gardens, and natural stone pathways enhance the rustic charm of the property while promoting biodiversity and sustainability. Water features such as ponds or fountains may be incorporated to add tranquility and visual interest to outdoor spaces. The integration of outdoor living areas with the interior of the house is facilitated by large windows, sliding glass doors, or folding patio doors. These openings create a seamless transition between indoor and outdoor environments, allowing for uninterrupted views and access to fresh air and natural light. Outdoor kitchens and cooking areas are popular additions to modern barn-style houses, providing opportunities for al fresco dining and culinary enjoyment. These outdoor spaces are equipped with amenities such as grills, sinks, and countertops, complemented by seating areas and shade structures for comfort and convenience. Overall, outdoor living and landscape integration play a crucial role in enhancing the appeal and functionality of a modern barn-style house. By creating inviting outdoor spaces that harmonize with the natural surroundings, homeowners can enjoy a lifestyle that embraces both relaxation and social interaction in a beautiful and sustainable environment. Sustainability and environmental considerations. Sustainability and environmental considerations are integral to the design and construction of modern barn-style houses, reflecting a commitment to responsible living and conservation of natural resources. The use of sustainable building materials is a fundamental aspect of environmentally conscious design. Modern barn-style houses may incorporate reclaimed wood, recycled metals, and environmentally friendly composites for structural components and finishes. These materials not only reduce environmental impact but also add character and authenticity to the architectural aesthetic. Landscaping strategies also contribute to environmental sustainability around a modern barn-style house. Native plantings require less water and maintenance compared to exotic species, supporting local biodiversity and reducing the need for chemical pesticides or fertilizers. Permeable paving materials, such as gravel or porous concrete, can be used for driveways and walkways to minimize stormwater runoff and replenish groundwater supplies. In conclusion, designing and living in a modern barn-style house involves balancing traditional architectural elements with contemporary sustainability practices. By integrating energy-efficient technologies, utilizing sustainable materials, and promoting responsible resource management, homeowners can enjoy a home that is both aesthetically pleasing and environmentally conscientious. This approach not only supports a greener lifestyle but also ensures that modern barn-style houses remain timeless and resilient in an ever-changing world. As we come to the end of today's video, I hope you found some inspiration and ideas for your own interior design projects. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and creative solutions for transforming your space. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and let us know in the comments below which design element you liked the most. Stay tuned for our next video, and until then, happy decorating!